Hello guys. I'm gonna be doing my education letter. Just try. Oh my god, it's amazing. What? What? Huh?
Why do you still have your umbrella?
Ano? Even though it's not raining. It feels like it's raining. Oh my god. You are?
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay. I can't see anything. Mom?
Wait for Kayla and
Yo.
Owen here, ha? Sige.
Okay. Did you tell them we're here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get here. It's recording, right? Hold on. Saan ka papunta?
Go beside ano Mackenzie. So parang makakuha sa kanya. Kaya pag may panorama bakit?
That's so stupid.
You gonna do a TikTok game?
Bro! Oh, bro, I just felt something like drop on me.
Don't worry, twin.
Speed. Basa pa. Speed, umbrella's inside, bro. Bumabasa sa loob. It's also raining inside, bro.
Start writing na. Start writing.
I can write that after. Also, guys, I'm recording.
Guys, you have to finish our work.
Tinatamad pa ako. Ay, shoot.
We are talking. Where are you? Anya.
Hello.
Because.
Sorry. Oh my god. I might not be able to see those spider webs, bro. Yeah, it goes to the roots and then it waters the plants. Pupunta na sa kanya. Where's my umbrella? It's supposed to be there. Oh, bro. Oh, thank you. I was about to grab it.
You can touch it.
Grass. I'm touching grass.
Why is it leaking?
I'm finally touching grass, guys. Guys, I'm finally touching grass. Touch grass.
I touched it down.
No.
Bro, touch grass. Touch grass. No.
I don't want to.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Get over here.
What?
You can read it.
Hi.
Oh, what are you guys looking at?
This is spider.
Oh, shoot.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Mommy, you want to take a picture?
Okay. Where?
That spider. There's a spider over there.
Oh my god, bro.
You touch grass.
Daddy long legs. Daddy long legs.
Oh, right there.
Hi.
Oh. Ito
Bro, I'm scared of spiders. What is this? Do it again. Don't show me. Don't show my face on any social media. Ah! It's milking. Milking. It's milking.
It's leaking.
Milking. Huh? Picture. I also got wet on the car ride. Bro, look up. It's so beautiful. It's so cherry blossomish. What the fuck?
This is the final destination.
My nose is so...
This is the final destination.
Final destination. Yeah, it might just... Bro, that might drop on you. That might just drop on you.
Okay, guys.
Hey guys.
Ano ba yan? Are you also a YouTube vlogger?
No.
What the fuck? Look at this guy!
Picture kayo with anong cute nung
I'm taking a video.
mat. Anong cat? Ginaya mo siya. Arty. Baby beauty, yes.
I thought you were gonna go home. Yeah,
Have you ever wanted to catch a water droplet in your mouth?
I've done that before. You have to complete your paper kasi submit nyo mamaya before you go home. Yeah, I will.
Bro, it's raining.
I'm still playing with the grass. Can't see anything. Touch grass. Moss. I wanna touch some moss. I wanna touch some moss. Where's the moss? Moss.
Kanina to.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Grade 5, dito tayo sa ano.
Can I follow you? May umbrella. Oh. Hold on, let me pass you.
Owen!
Go. Hey, bro. I want those. I want one. It's kind of one. I'm so broke. I have money, but yung tinatamad.
That's the food you studied, di ba?
I have money, but I'm lazy. They're having a party without us? Happy birthday to you. Okay. I'm just gonna follow you around because I'm absolutely I wanna supposed to do here? Bro, are we supposed to stay here? Oh shoot, I think this is the ceremony. So guys, you can like skip this if you need to. But I'm gonna recording this whole thing. Yeah, you know what? I'm pausing this.